If your website isn't clear, you're losing potential clients every single day. They visit, they get confused, and then quietly click away, and you might not even know what's happening. But here's the truth. You could be the best at what you do, but if somebody lands on your website and can't understand, and you need to know this, people don't hire the best expert. They hire the one they feel the most connected to. And story is the key to creating that connection. I see this all the time with brilliant coaches. They tell me, I'm just not getting enough discovery calls booked. So I check out their website, and honestly, I can't tell what they actually do. If I'm confused and I do this for a living, their ideal clients are very confused too. Let me give you certifications and glowing testimonials and a real gift for helping overwhelmed moms create calmer homes. But her website said things like, imagine a happier future, which sounds poetic, but it's vague. So what does that actually mean? She was booking maybe one discovery call a month with people who couldn't afford to pay her. She was attracting bargain hunters instead of attracting dream clients. And even when people hired her, they weren't really the right fit. They didn't value her expertise, and she found herself negotiating for her prices and trying to prove her worth. Here's why that was happening. First, most websites talk too much about credentials. Someone who can help them solve a real, tangible problem that they're dealing with right now. Think about it this way. When you go to a doctor with a migraine, you're not asking them where they went to med school. You just want the pain to stop. And it's the same idea here. Second, coaches often use transformation language that sounds deep and powerful, but land into your purpose or live your truth. But people visiting your website are often in survival mode. They're thinking, I'm burned out, I'm exhausted, I'm overwhelmed, I just need help. Instead of, I help people find their authentic power, say, I help anxious professionals stop second guessing themselves and feel. And third, a lot of websites don't make it easy for people to take the next step. If your homepage is cluttered with 6 different calls to action, like book a call, join my newsletter, download my freebie, follow me on Instagram, you're making your visitor think too hard, and you're overwhelming them with just too many options. When people have to think too hard, they bounce. You need one clear next step, just one, and that step should move the relationship forward, ideally with a discovery call. And finally, one of the biggest mistakes I see is trying to help everyone with everything. Coaches list every single area that they've worked in, hoping to catch more people with a wider net. But when you try to speak to everyone, no one feels like you're actually talking to them. Instead, speak directly to one person, I offer. So how do you fix all of this? Here's a simple framework that works. Number 1, make your client the hero. Talk about what they want and what's in their way. Your website shouldn't be about how great you are. It should be about the change your clients want to see in their lives. You're the guide. You're the one with the flashlight saying, I've walked this road. I can show you the way. 2, clarify after. Instead of live your best life, say, wake up excited for work again. Instead of unlock your potential, say, launch that business idea that's aligned with your true calling. 3, give them one clear call to action. Whether it's booking a call or applying to your program or downloading your guide, pick one. Make it the focus of your homepage, not pressure. Number 4, paint the picture of a brighter future. Help your clients see themselves in the story. Don't just say, you'll feel better. Say, you'll sit down to dinner with your kids without snapping at them from exhaustion. Or you'll walk into a Monday meeting calm, clear-headed, and ready to lead. Let me show you the difference with 2 versions of the same message. Here's what doesn't work. I'm a certified life coach offering comprehensive coaching services to help you unlock your potential and live authentically. And here's what does work. Feeling stuck in a career that's draining the life out of you? I help ambitious women in their 30s quit jobs they hate and build a business they love without taking a massive pay cut. The second is more compelling, and it's way more believable because let's Now let's get back to Amy. After we rewrote her homepage to say, I help overwhelmed working moms find balance and create a life that lights them up, everything shifted. We updated her message, tightened her calls to action, and restructured her homepage to focus entirely on her client's journey. And within 2 months, she was booking 3 to 4 discovery calls every week with the right people. And with the right people who are ready to invest, people who said, I read your website and I just knew I had to talk to you. She went from barely getting clients to having a wait list. So here's your challenge for today. Is there one clear next step that moves people toward working with me? If the answer to any of those is not really, don't panic. This is totally fixable, and it doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need a complete rebrand or a 10 messaging call with me today. We'll look at your website together, clarify your message, and make so your dream clients stop scrolling and start reaching out to you. If your website isn't clear,